Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Welcome guys. We are going to study condition statements if and operators. Condition statements if operators. Python if statement is one of the most commonly used condition statements in programming language. It decides whether certain statements need to be executed or not. It checks for a given condition if the condition is true. Then the set of the code present inside the if block will be executed, otherwise not. The if condition evaluates a Boolean expression and executes the block of code only when the Boolean expression becomes true. Syntax. If a given expression is true, we are going to execute this block of code. Else, we are going to execute another block of code. For example, let's take a variable passing underscore score equal 60 another variable my score equal 67 if my score greater than or equal passing score, we print you passed the exam. The output is you passed the exam. The statement itself says if a given condition is true, then execute the statement present inside the if block. And if the condition is false, then execute the else block. The else block will execute only when the condition becomes false. It is the block where you will perform some action when the action is not true. If else statement evaluates the Boolean expression. If the condition is true, then the code present in the if block will be executed, otherwise the code of the else block will be executed. Elif statements. Elif statements are similar to if-else statements, but elif statements evaluate multiple conditions. For example, let's take a variable num equal -7. If this variable greater than 0, we are going to print number is positive. Elif num smaller than 0, we are going to print number is negative. Else, we are going to print number is output number is negative because this statement that is executed because the num is smaller than 0. Listed if-else statements. Listed if-else statements mean that an if statement or if-else statement is present inside another if or if-else block. Python provides this feature as well. This in turn will help us to check multiple conditions in a given program. For example, let's take this variable num equal -7. If num are different of 0, inside this if statement we have if num greater than 0, we are going to print number is positive because the num is greater than 0. Else of this if we are going to print number is negative. Else of this if we have print number is 0. Output number is negative because num equal -7. Operators. Python operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operands. There are symbols used for purpose of logical arithmetic and various operations. Types of Python operators. Python language supports the following types of operators: arithmetic or operators like plus, minus, etc. Comparison like 2 equals, difference or greater or smaller. Assignments operators like equal, like plus, equal, like minus, equal. Logical operators, for example, and or not. bitwise operators, for example, and operator or operator or tail operator. Membership operators, for example, in not identity operator is not. Let's have some practice in Visual Studio. If we take this variable u country equal Kuwait and C price equal 100. If we choose the variable u country equal Kuwait, then this statement will be executed. Elif u country Kuwait print hello Osama, you are from Kuwait. The cost of price is C price minus 60. We have a discount of 60. Here we have a discount of 80. Else, another country we have discount of 30. We have C price minus 3. Okay. After executing, we have hello you are from other country because this K is not uppercase. Be attention. Hello Osama, you are from Kuwait. Okay. If we change this variable to Egypt, we have hello you are from Egypt. Cost of price is changed to because the discount is changed. If we choose another country, for example, Tunisia, we have hello you are from other country than Egypt or Kuwait, because price is 70. Thank you for watching. To the next video.